Buying a townhome in Charleston is one of the best things you could possibly do if you want an affordable home. And buying a brand new townhome is even better because you'll avoid repairs, you'll have the latest features, and you're going to be the first one living in your home. And if you're moving to Charleston and you're not familiar with the area, don't worry, because I'm going to give you the top 5 brand new townhome communities that you'll want to explore in the greater Charleston area. So if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, a little bit anxious in your home search, but you dream of being a homeowner in Charleston, then you're definitely in the right place. Because we're going to talk about where you can find these townhomes and how you can take advantage of the special incentives, just like my clients here and here and here. So let's get into the top 5 brand new townhome communities. Now, number 5 on the list of brand new townhome communities is Boyin Run by DRB Homes. Boyin Run is located adjacent to the popular Bay Plantation community, and it's just 39 minutes to downtown Charleston. It also has easy access to I-26 and Highway 52. A lot of our clients love this neighborhood because of the beautiful views of nature in the neighborhood. It's got this large pond for kayaking and fishing. It's got not 1, but 2 community pools, a dog park, a playground, and tons of green space too. There is also the Publix grocery store right across the street, along with restaurants, shopping, as well as the Foxbank Elementary School and the Foxbank Fire Station right in the neighborhood. And because it's located in Monk's Corner, there's a lot less traffic and a lot more peace and quiet. And as for the home plans, DRB Homes gives you 2 different floor plan options. There is the egret plan with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,600 square feet, and a 1-car garage. And they also have the Heron plan, which has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2,300 square feet, with a 2-car garage. So if you want more space, you have a larger family, then the 4-bedroom plan is probably the one you're going to want to go with, because that's one of the larger townhome plans that I've seen. And here's what it looks like inside. Prices in Boyin Run range from around $321,000 all the way up to $370,000. And they also offer rate buy-downs, so your mortgage interest rate could be lower than the average rate you would get buying a pre-owned or resale home. And that could save you $100 or more each month on your mortgage payment for the next 30 years. But by the time you're watching this video, chances are prices and inventory have changed. So to get the most updated information on these townhomes, just reach out to me. Give me a call, send me a text, send me a smoke signal. Just kidding, don't do that because I'm probably not gonna see it. My information is in the description below. Now, with that out of the way, number 4 on the list is Windward Towns by Hunter Quinn Homes. Windward Towns is located in the heart of Goose Creek, South Carolina, and it's just about 30 minutes to downtown Charleston. It's got easy access to I-26 and Henry Brown Boulevard. It's located near the Joint Base Charleston and is a short drive to Wanamaker County Park. A lot of homeowners that own Hunter Quinn Homes say they love the quality and the style of the homes. It's kind of like a craftsman style. My friend Kristyn Bartosik is actually the owner of a Hunter Quinn home, and she is also the sales agent for Hunter Quinn, which I think is funny because she loved Hunter Quinn homes so much that she bought one, which I think speaks volumes about the quality of Hunter Quinn homes. So as for the community and what's near it, Windward Towns has the Walmart neighborhood market nearby, and they have a Brazilian market too, as well as other diverse restaurants and grocery stores. I actually spent a lot of time in Goose Creek when my family had an international grocery store in Goose Creek, and they had a Zumba studio too. I know from firsthand experience that Goose Creek has a wonderful, supportive community. As for the home plans, Windward Towns has the Foster 2 plan, and it's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1485 square feet, with a 1-car garage. They have some townhomes that are move-in ready, but you can also choose to customize your own townhome. So you can choose the finishes, the colors of your cabinets, the fixtures, and other things like that. Prices in Windward Towns start from around $320,000 up to $360,000 right now. And of course, they'll typically offer some money towards closing costs or other incentives. And moving on to number 3 on the list of new construction townhomes in the Charleston area is the Landings at Montague. And the Landings at Montague is built by Eastwood Homes. It's also located in Goose Creek, and it's about 30 minutes to downtown Charleston, with easy access to Highway 52. Homeowners here are saying that they like the peaceful setting and the great location of the Landings at Montague. And it's just a short drive to Berkeley Square Shopping Center. That's where you'll find places like a Publix grocery store, a bowling alley, brewery, a gym, and a Mexican restaurant, among other restaurants. So after you do a workout at the gym, you can reward yourself with a plate of tacos. As for the floor plans, Eastwood Homes has 3 great floor plans, and they all come with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, and 1-car garage also. But the difference in these plans is in the size. So they're gonna range from about 1,600 square feet to 1,700 square feet. The good thing about having 3 different plans is that the outside is gonna have more variety. So you're not gonna have the same plan that looks cookie cutter over and over again. It's gonna look a little different. There are gonna be different colors, different faces. So that's nice. And this is what the homes look like inside. Prices right now in the Landings at Montague start at around $320,000 all the way up to $350,000, with potential incentives like up to $7,500 in flex cash and up to $10,000 in closing costs. So if you have any questions about how this works, feel free to reach out to me. And remember that when you're buying new construction, don't go directly to the website, because you'll get connected with one of their agents, and their agents will represent the builder's best interest, not your best interest. So you want to make sure that you're protected and represented in this transaction, right? Now, moving on to number 2 on the list of brand new townhome communities is the popular Pine Hills at Bay Plantation. And Pine Hills is built by D.R. Horton. It's very popular because they also have single family homes, and it's a large subsection of the very popular Bay Plantation community. Bay Plantation has been one of the most popular master plan communities that's been getting built out for the last couple of years, and I get a lot of calls from you guys about Bay Plantation. And it was also ranked number 13 in the nation by RLC Co. Number 13 in the whole nation amongst other master plan communities. So let's talk a little bit about the location. It's just about 35 minutes from downtown Charleston, and it's got easy access to Nexton Parkway and I-26, which makes the commute pretty easy. A lot of our clients love this neighborhood because of the resort-style amenities, which include a park, a playground, pool, and this really cool water slide. I would have loved that as a kid, honestly. And the area also offers plenty of open spaces and walking trails for outdoor activities. Plus, there are restaurants and shops located at the front of the Bay Plantation community, like another Publix grocery store. I guess we love Publix down here. A Chick-fil-A, a smoothie shop, Eggs Up Grill, another Mexican restaurant. So there are a bunch of places at the front of the Cane Bay neighborhood. Oh, and don't forget the local YMCA in Cane Bay. Now, for the home plans, D.R. Horton offers 4 different home plans. They range from 3 bedrooms all the way up to 5 bedrooms. So these townhomes have the most bedrooms that I've seen on this list. And they range from about 1,400 square feet all the way up to 2,200 square feet. Prices are going to range from $290,000 for the smallest 3-bedroom plan all the way up to $340,000 for the 5-bedroom plan. And before I show you what they look like on the inside, remember that by the time you're watching this, prices have changed. So again, just reach out in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing and inventory available. So the homes on this list typically will come with stone countertops and stainless steel appliances. But the difference here is that with D.R. Horton, they are now offering the fridge as well. Most builders won't offer the fridge as well. They'll give you the dishwasher and the oven and the range and the microwave, but they typically won't give you the fridge. So it's pretty cool that D.R. Horton is also adding in the fridge as a bonus. And of course, since it's a large community, they have a lot of lots to choose from. So you could potentially choose a townhome that's backed up to the pond or backed up to woods. Another cool thing about D.R. Horton is that since they're one of the biggest builders in the country, they're typically going to offer the most in incentives. So I've seen them offer, closing costs up to $7,500, and they'll also offer rate buydowns. Recently, I've seen some of the lowest rates from D.R. Horton compared to other builders in the Charleston area. And of course, that could save you $100 or more something every month. It's pretty significant if you actually do the math. So pretty cool. Now, moving on to number 1 on the list of brand new townhome communities is Sweetgrass Station, and that is built by Dreamfinders Homes. It's located in Summerville, South Carolina, which is another popular area in the Charleston area. And that's just 10 minutes to downtown Summerville and 35 minutes to the Charleston Peninsula. It's close to Middleton Place and other parks and historical landmarks. And at the time of this recording, the neighborhood is just starting. So by the time it's done, it's gonna have a community pool, a playground, and ample green spaces as well. Dreamfinders Homes offers 3 different floor plans, and each townhome floor plan comes with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. And their sizes are going to range from 1,558 square feet to 1,763 square feet. So they're kind of in the mid-range when it comes to townhome sizes. So this is what the community looks like right now, and this is what the townhomes look like at the moment. And if you've never heard of Dreamfinders, it's a smaller builder that is also in a couple different states across the nation. And they have a pretty good reputation for quality. So, for example, when I looked in one of the Dreamfinders homes that was being built, you could tell that they weren't skimping on insulation and quality on the inside. So, for example, the walls were insulated with R30 rated insulation, and they even had options to upgrade that insulation to save even more money on your electricity bills. Dreamfinders homes also have hurricane ties that secure the home to the foundation, and that's really nice in case we do have a hurricane here. We haven't had a huge hurricane in a while, but knock on wood, that's gonna help if your house is secured to the foundation. So again, if you're interested in any of these homes, just give me a call, send me a text. All of my information is in the description below. And do it now before you forget. If you're anything like me, you might forget. So feel free to reach out, and you're probably gonna wanna watch this video here or this video right here. I'll see you next time.